If you want to learn how to make these delicious gluten-free salad dressing slash dipping sauce, then what? Keep watching this video. Hi guys, welcome back to Maxinescorner. For our first oil-free dressing, I'm going to be making a Dijon mustard dressing. This is very good. I have to measure for you guys. Even though I don't measure for myself, I do realize that I do have to measure for you guys. 1/4 cups of Dijon mustard. Like my accent? I know you do, so stop it. The juice of 1 lemon, and this is just so I can catch it here like that. The seeds. So you can do it like this way. Or get one of these fancy things if you don't have one, but I'm just showing you different options. You throw it in and then you squeeze. All right, but you don't need one of these, you know, but it gets all the juices out. Look at that. Oh my God. You know how delicious that looks right now? Do you know? And you're just gonna stir 1/4 cups of water. Okay. And I'm using warm water, so that's warm water. And I'm gonna mix everything together. To add a pinch of Himalayan salt. Generous pinch, a generous pinch. Mix that together. These are vegan, they are oil-free, they are healthy, they are delicious and simple to make. And I get my little jar. And you can get these anywhere. I got these at Target. Pour them in just like that. And that is my first salad dressing. My next salad dressing is a creamy salad dressing. And for this particular dressing, I'm going to be using the vegan cream cheese. And I am using the better than cream cheese. I'm using 1/4 cup, but I'm very generous with it, as you may see. Very generous. All right. So I take my warm water and I just add it to it, and this is just going to help to break it up. And I'm just going to stir everything together. Get that nice creamy flavor. Absolutely delicious. Oil-free, vegan, baby. If you love oil-free salad dressing, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to the channel, why not? You love healthy tips. You love weight loss recipes. So go ahead and subscribe. Hit that little button that says subscribe and you will not miss another video. A little bit of salt. And I'm using a pinch. You guys know I like my Himalayan salt, right? Just a pinch of black pepper and just a little bit of pepper flakes, and this is all a pinch, okay? Red pepper flakes. Stir that together. To that I will be adding garlic. I'm using 4 little cloves, not much. Just gonna grate these all the way in. All right guys, so you see my garlic in there. I'm just gonna mix that all around. I'm gonna add a little bit of Mrs. Dash, and this is the salt-free Mrs. Dash, just to let you guys know. I'm just gonna add a little bit just to give it a little bit more flavor because I don't want it to be too bland. And once again, this is the gluten-free salad dressing, all right? And so if you're up for a 3-day cleanse, let me know. We could definitely get that going. So I'm just gonna pour this in here. And this would be good with some lettuce. Oh my. You know what? This is perfect too. You know what I'll do this? I would make some cauliflower wings, and this would be my dipping sauce. I can taste it already. So delicious. This makes for a perfect dipping sauce. People won't know the difference. Trust and believe me. That's it. This is my creamy cream cheese sauce. So this is my third dressing, and this is kind of like a peanut sauce. You can use it pretty much in anything. This is 1/4 cups of peanut butter. That's 1/2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Hey guys, by the way, I'm gonna leave all the ingredients down below for you guys, so don't you worry about it. Don't worry about trying to get it right now. To that, I'm adding 1/2 teaspoons of maple syrup. Give it a nice flavor. I'm gonna use ginger paste, but if you do have fresh ginger, please use 1/2 teaspoons of fresh ginger, but this is just as fresh. That's my ginger paste. But these are just different options. You know, if you have ginger, just go ahead and use that. And then to that, I'm gonna add 1/2 teaspoons of rice vinegar. So 1/2 teaspoon of rice vinegar there. Garlic powder. This is just the option, but if you have fresh garlic, you could go ahead and use it. So I have some garlic powder. 1/2 teaspoons of parsley. And this is the dried parsley. You can use basil as well, but I'm choosing to use parsley. I'm just gonna add a little bit of warm water, not too much, but just to break it up a little bit. All right, so I'm just gonna add two of the 1/8 cups, okay, just so I could thin it out a little bit, because I'm using this as a salad dressing, so I don't like it to be too thick. And this is a delicious peanut sauce, and it could be used as a dip as well. How often do you get that, right? You don't. So I'm just pouring this in. You can make it just as a salad dressing. That's it, guys. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today. If you love this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And what? Stay healthy.